Do you crave snacks that not only satisfy your hunger but also align with your keto lifestyle? Welcome to the ultimate guide to healthy keto snacking, where we'll delve into the realm of low-carb, high-fat delights that will keep you energized, satisfied, and on track with your health goals. Picture this: you're halfway through your day, and hunger pangs start to strike. The vending machine beckons with its tempting array of chips and candy bars, but you know that indulging in those high-carb snacks will derail your keto journey faster than you can say macros. So, what's a keto enthusiast to do in the face of such temptation? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of keto snacking, let's take a moment to check some benefits it offers. Sustained energy levels. By opting for snacks rich in healthy fats and protein while minimizing carbohydrates, you'll experience more stable energy levels throughout the day. No more post-snack crashes. Enhanced mental clarity. Say goodbye to brain fog and hello to enhanced cognitive function. The ketogenic diet has been shown to support mental clarity and focus, making it the perfect ally for busy days. Appetite control. One of the key perks of keto snacking is its ability to keep hunger at bay. By consuming snacks that are high in fat and protein, you'll feel fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to overeat during meals. Weight management. Many individuals turn to the ketogenic diet for its weight loss benefits, and smart keto snacking can play a crucial role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Blood sugar regulation. By consuming snacks that are low in carbohydrates and rich in healthy fats and protein, you can help regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage insulin sensitivity. Improved digestive health. Many keto-friendly snacks are naturally high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and can alleviate issues such as constipation. Incorporating fiber-rich snacks like chia seed pudding or flaxseed crackers into your diet can support gut health and regularity. Increased satiety. Keto snacks tend to be more filling and satisfying than their high-carb counterparts. The combination of fats and proteins in keto-friendly snacks helps promote feelings of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating and aiding in weight management. Enhanced athletic performance. For individuals who engage in high-intensity workouts or endurance training, keto snacks can provide a steady source of energy without the need for frequent refueling. Fat-adapted athletes may experience improved endurance and performance when fueled by ketones during exercise. Now let's delve into some top tips and recommendations for mastering the art of healthy keto snacking. Prioritize whole foods. When it comes to keto snacking, whole foods should be your best friend. Opt for snacks that are as close to their natural state as possible, such as nuts, seeds, and avocado. These nutrient-dense options not only provide a wealth of vitamins and minerals but also keep you feeling satisfied between meals. Mind your macros. While following a keto diet, it's essential to keep track of your macronutrient intake. Aim to keep your snacks high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. This balance will help you stay in ketosis and reap the full benefits of the ketogenic lifestyle. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is key to overall health and well-being, especially when following a ketogenic diet. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, as dehydration can sometimes masquerade as hunger. Herbal teas and sparkling water can also be great options to mix things up and keep you feeling refreshed. Be prepared. One of the biggest challenges of keto snacking is finding suitable options when you're on the go. Combat this by planning ahead and preparing your snacks in advance. Invest in some portable containers and fill them with keto-friendly goodies like cheese slices, hard-boiled eggs, and pre-cut veggies. Having these snacks readily available will make it easier to resist temptation when hunger strikes. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and tips for successful keto snacking, let's explore some mouth-watering snack ideas to tantalize your taste buds. Avocado deviled eggs. Combine the creaminess of avocado with the classic flavors of deviled eggs for a satisfying snack that's packed with healthy fats and protein. Cheese and charcuterie board. Create your own mini cheese and charcuterie board with an assortment of cheeses, cured meats, olives, and nuts for a decadent snack that's perfect for sharing or enjoying solo. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer full-fat Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of crushed nuts or seeds for a creamy, satisfying snack that's rich in protein and antioxidants. Add a drizzle of sugar-free sweetener or a dollop of almond butter for extra flavor. Smoked salmon roll-ups. Spread cream cheese on slices of smoked salmon, then roll them up with thinly sliced cucumber or avocado for a refreshing and protein-packed snack. These elegant roll-ups are perfect for entertaining or enjoying as a light lunch option. Cauliflower hummus with veggie dippers. Swap out traditional chickpea hummus for a keto-friendly version made with steamed cauliflower, tahini, garlic, and lemon juice. Serve with crunchy vegetable sticks like bell pepper strips, cucumber slices, and celery for a nutritious and satisfying snack. Bacon-wrapped asparagus. Indulge your taste buds with the savory goodness of bacon-wrapped asparagus spears. Simply wrap trimmed asparagus spears in bacon slices and bake until crispy for a flavorful keto-friendly treat. Almond butter fat bombs. Satisfy your sweet tooth with almond butter fat bombs made from a blend of almond butter, coconut oil, and a touch of stevia for natural sweetness. These bite-sized treats are perfect for curbing cravings without derailing your keto progress. Zucchini chips. Swap out high-carb potato chips for crispy zucchini chips seasoned with your favorite herbs and spices. Simply slice zucchini into thin rounds, toss with olive oil and seasoning, and bake until golden brown for a guilt-free snack that's sure to impress. Mastering the art of healthy keto snacking is all about balance, preparation, and creativity. By prioritizing whole foods, minding your macros, and staying hydrated, you can enjoy a wide variety of delicious snacks while staying true to your ketogenic lifestyle. So, the next time hunger strikes between meals, resist the urge to reach for carb-laden treats and instead opt for one of the mouth-watering keto snacks mentioned in this video. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Remember, with the right mindset and a bit of experimentation, you can elevate your snack game to new heights while reaping the countless benefits of healthy keto snacking. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about keto diet lifestyle, recipes and tips.